Welcome to Nomad POS training video. In this video we are going to see how easy it is to create sale items on the point of sale. First you need to log into the system, make sure you have the required permissions to access the item setup menu. Go to the point of sale tab and click on item setup, then choose create new item. Let's first create our first group by clicking on create group menu. Item groups are used to hold and arrange products on the POS as well as helping in the reporting and analysis of sales. They are also useful in the setup of discounts as well as happy hour activations. Each sale item must belong to a group for it to be visible as saleable on the POS system. Item groups are also useful in determining the sale income account as well as cost of sales accounts. To create a new group, enter group name, select income account, specify sale commission if any or 0 for none for both commission percentage and commission amount. Check the active option, then proceed and click add group button on the ribbon bar at the top. There you have it. We have created our first item group. Once the group is created, we can now go ahead and create a product that we shall be selling on the POS. Type in the name of the product on the item name field. Select or create units of measure. Select group name. Enter the default sale price on the sale price field as well as cost price on the unit cost field. Tick the track stock option, then click Save Item button on the top ribbon to save the item. That's how easy it is to create sale product in the Nomad POS system. Follow this channel for more video tutorials in our self-learn series. Thank you.